Hi, welcome to Tutorials Point. Myself Ajay Lokesha. So in this video we would be understanding quality management and in that introduction. These are all the various topics that we would be covering. First one would be the purpose of quality management, why we need to have that, and then system quality management, process quality management, product quality management, and then at application level and also at a human resource level, how we can control, manage and assure all the quality processes. With respect to the purpose, so we need to have a mechanism where interested parties and all, we have to meet their expectation. So for that we need to have a quality management system in place. In that there are various aspects. We can cover it up with proper effective procedures, with audit systems, and also with respect to the various management reviews. So if we do all these things effectively, then we can have a proper quality management and quality leadership at a system level. Then we talk about the process. We need to have a control through process validation, through the right work instructions to exactly how it has to be done. Then proper setup verification means to start with how the process should have, and then at an in-process level also. Once the process is started, in the middle also it has to be somehow managed from the quality point of view. So all these things put together will be helpful for us in managing a particular process. When we talk about the product level, we need to understand that from a validation point of view also we need to control the quality. Not only that, with respect to the material tests, pre-dispatch inspections, so before this particular components that go to the customer, we need to check certain parameters in this particular product. And then finally with layout inspection at regular intervals, again all the dimensions that are drawing in the drawing, we need to verify at a level wise of this particular product if it is having an assembly process. From the application front, we may be having a lot of application requirements from the customer, and that needs to be very clearly drafted. So many of the things will be there in the drawing and some of the things will be there in the technical specification. But however, there can be some companies who are actually following application specification itself. Because you should be very much sure that your component or service should not be abused by your customer. That's why you need to have application guidelines and application specifications that are going to be very, very crucial for your components or the service functioning. Specification, warranty agreement also with your customer, you need to have it. And then when you're doing all these things, you need to have certain degree of factor of safety, because there can be always some kind of miscalculations that might have happened in a design process, or maybe your customer has not told you very clearly some of their requirements. So we need to be very, very clear where in our complete product process and also system and application everywhere we need to have certain amount of factor of safety where we do not end up with any kind of complaints or in the problems. When we talk about human resource, because at the end of the day everything depends on the human beings and how they are going to functioning. So even if we talk about the artificial intelligence also, at the end of the day we need human beings to have artificial intelligence. So by having a right value system for the variations that are coming because of humans also can be arrested. And then having a career path where we clearly are heading, and then with right trainings and also with right motivation and empowerment also, we can easily control the quality that is coming out of the human beings. So these are all the things that we understood. From the conclusion point of view, quality management is crucial to meet the interested parties' requirements, and at the product, process, system, application level, and even at a human resource level, at all the places we need to have the quality management controls and systems in place. These things will help us in meeting our expectations, and also we can achieve our success at a much earlier point of time. That's all in this video. Thank you so much.